Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Mind, Myth, Momentous, that is M3. In today's episode of the series Mental Health Matters, we will try to understand importance of mental health. Number 1, enhances productivity in the workplace. The importance of mental health lies in the fact that it enables you to adjust with people and situations in a better way, especially at your workplace. This is important as you give almost 30 to 40% of your life in work and work related activities. A good mental health makes it easier to adapt to the changing work environment. You become more productive if you have a balanced mental health. You adopt a constructive approach to your problems arising at your workplace. A good mental health makes you able to deal with day-to-day stress and become more productive. Most importantly, you are aware of your strengths and weaknesses and you deploy yourself at the right place and at the right time. Number 2, contributes to the social well-being. Having a sound mental health enables you to develop healthy bonds with your friends, family, relatives, etc. Good mental health leads to your social inclusion within and among the groups. There is an increased tendency to deal with social problems effectively. You tend to govern your own actions and also you analyze the impact of your actions on others. You become more compassionate, considerate, and active towards others' needs. Enhancing social relationship can be brought about by thinking from others' perspective. Be considerate towards the feelings of others without prejudice and discrimination. Able to take a definite stand and put up your view before others. Having a positive outlook and constructive approach, which can all be brought about by positive mental health. Number 3, healthy interpersonal relationship. A good mental health allows you to develop healthy interpersonal bonds with others. You understand others well and interact keeping empathetic approach to the speaker. Proper mental health allows you to communicate properly and drive away misunderstandings and confusions. You are able to control your emotions and feelings with maturity. Optimistic environment can be created by being in a good mental state yourself and staying away from negative people. Because people who are not mentally healthy have a negative outlook towards life. They have a problem for every solution. Avoiding their company will keep you in a good mood and you will have an optimistic approach towards life. You will find happiness in everything. You will start working more and complaining less. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe the channel M3. In the next part, we will continue the importance of mental health's further points. Till then, bye.